Welcome to this week's edition of Stormtracker Summer Safety. I'm here in Mattapoisett to talk about severe storms. You know, southern New England has some of the most eclectic weather in the entire country. But out of everything Mother Nature throws our way, tornadoes are either at or at the very least near the bottom of the list. As this past year has shown us, however, we are certainly not immune to them. Just like this quiet community, the site of one of several that ripped across the area last summer.
A total of 11 to be exact, 4 in Rhode Island and 7 in Southeast Mass. Some crossing highways, others approaching runways, all tearing down trees and power lines. The Situate twister on August 18th dropped from the same storm cell multiple times, a second time in Johnston and a third time in North Providence. It was also an EF2, tied for the strongest in the Ocean State with one from 1986. Combing through tornado records shows exactly how crazy of a year it was. Dating back to 1951, Rhode Island has seen only 20 tornadoes, which averages out to about 1 every 4 years. Southeast Mass, about 1 every other year. But looking solely at the last decade alone raises eyebrows. Rhode Island saw half of its tornadoes in that span, Southeast Mass about a third. A trend that we will have to carefully watch going forward. It's important to know the difference between each severe weather alert. A watch is issued over a large area and indicates the potential for an event to happen, giving folks time to plan and prepare. A warning indicates an immediate threat for a localized area and the need for swift action. If you ever find yourself within the polygon of a tornado warning, you need to act fast. Get to an interior room, staircase, or bathtub, away from any windows, and cover yourself with a mattress or blankets. And a basement is your best option. We've talked a lot about tornadoes, but they are not the only threat. Severe thunderstorms are also capable of producing damaging straight-line winds and hail, as we witnessed several weeks ago. But non-severe thunderstorms can also be dangerous. First, you have lightning. Even though fatalities have been steadily declining over the past few decades, it still kills dozens every year. Even if you can't see lightning, but you can hear thunder, you are still at risk. Lightning can travel 10 to 12 miles away from a storm, which is why the saying goes, when thunder roars, head indoors. You can also get some pretty violent downpours from any thunderstorm, which can quickly lead to flash flooding. Southern New England has had a lot of that lately. Another important saying is, turn around, don't drown. If you come across a flooded roadway, that is. I think the Oaklawn Underpass in Cranston might need a sign with this.
As we close in on the first day of summer, join us next week as we'll attempt to help you stay cool in that brutal summer sun.